Hi, my name is Marco, and today I'm going to walk you through the Lucid app where you can see step-by-step instruction how you can automate bureaucracy. Let's get started. So let's log in first, put your credentials and password, and you are in the project list. You can see all the projects that you did so far, and you can create a new project here as well. So for example, if you are starting a completely new project, you go here, you type the name of the project, and at the moment we are covering single family and multifamily buildings, and as we progress and develop further, we'll cover commercial, mixed use, and other architectural typologies. Since I already created a project, basically let's go to today's demo. So you are welcomed in the existing project with the checklist that you are actually working. But let's go from the whole beginning, where the whole project is starting in the project brief. And here we are simulating the workflow of the architect. So basically you are providing in several sections context to our app. So what are you designing? Where are you designing, for example? At a certain point, we are going to completely automate the extraction of the information once you, as an architect, give us the proper location, whether as a plot number or just the street address. And we plan to completely automate the get set and get set coefficient, so you don't have to do it manually as we are doing it now. There is a couple of more sections where you put the client's wishes, what they want to design, what are they asking, and it goes all over the nuances of the building. So for example, this project that I'm showing is a multifamily residential building, and here you can describe what is the certain mix of the population who is going to live in the multifamily building, how the types of the apartments are going to be distributed, in which percentages, and so on. There's another point of sections where there is a building certification, the style and the shape of the building, and all the details of the, for example, how to improve the quality of the life of the person living in the building. And once you fill the information, we have the minimum that is required, so everything is a plus that you give more the information. You click project start, and Lucid will automatically generate this project, and it takes around a minute to build everything under the hood. And then it will lead you to the checklist, and this is where we come back to this explanation of the project. So Lucid will create a checklist of the step-by-step what you need to fulfill in order to not get rejected from the Bauamt. But here's the thing that, for example, this is just part of the documentation. Also, we give you a step-by-step what to check and not to miss in the branch shoots, for example, meaning the fire protection thing, maybe the barrier-free design. And there is a lot of the steps and checklists that you need to fulfill before your project leave your architecture studio and get submitted, or maybe printed out to give it to your client, and so on. Then, in the expert, you can directly chat with the building codes and regulations. And I already played here with a couple of chats, and I asked a bunch of things, my AI assistant, and basically you can type in English or German. We provide for Germany immediately the answers that are in German language, but more or less any concerns during the project lifecycle that you have, more or less it's everything is under the hood, and you can just ask like ordinary question and you will get the answer. Then in the project Übersicht, or the project overview, this is, let's call it a baby building description. So all the information that you have provided, our tool will take it into account and start creating text for you. So basically you can copy paste it once you start to fill the forms, or maybe if you want to create a proper building descriptions, this is where we can help you with the text and kickstart the flow of the describing the building. In the Lucid cloud, basically this part is yet in the development, and we will let you plug in extra context, meaning that you can plug in the drive, whether or not you are using it from the Microsoft or Google or any other provider, and all the folders that you have regarding this project will be plugged in here. That means that our AI assistant, an expert, will understand more context. So for example, if you already design a similar building, you can plug in that project here, and extra information that we will see in that project can help you with, for example, getting even more detailed answers from our AI expert. And more or less, we want to speed the process of the building forms and documentations, and so you can focus more on creativity. And last but not least is if you go here to the profile, you can see everything about your company and the architect. At the moment, this is a beta tester phase. And this is it in a nutshell, the Lucid demo. I hope you enjoyed it.